Hi lovely people, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will be speaking about one of the strongest whitening body lotion in Africa. All right, and this body lotion is called Clear. I know a lot of you have used this product before. So once upon a time I went to a program in the Volta region and I met one of my old SHS mates, in fact a colleague, a good friend. I realized that she has become white, or her skin has changed, because back then in school she was very dark. All right, so we exchanged words, we embraced each other because it's been a while. So I quickly asked her, what's up, what do you use on your skin? And she was like, oh, someone introduced this body lotion to me called Clear. I bought the lotion, the soap, and also the facial cream as well. I noticed she has become very fair, very fair. So I asked her, how many times or since when have you been using the body lotion? And she was like, oh, she's been using it for the past 3 months now, and you could see the change on her skin. But then I noticed she had a little problems like dark knuckles. She had problems like dark spots on her face, and also the skin tone is really not in uniform. So I took her number and I told her that I'll get back to her because it's been a while we met. So when I came back home, I quickly picked my phone and I researched about Clear products. Clear is a strong whitening body cream or body lotion that whitens the skin just within 3 to 7 days. Okay, and it's a product which is formulated with hydroquine. Okay, and the hydroquine in this lotion is 0.9%. Okay, so it's whitening the skin, and it also brings out your natural glow. But then I will be speaking about the side effect of this product. If this sounds like something you love to hear more, kindly stay tuned. I will be back for more. If this is the first time coming across channel, I'll plead with you to kindly subscribe to the channel, turn on your notification. If you are an old subscriber, I would like to say a very big thank you to you. I would like to appreciate you a lot for coming back to the channel. God bless you so much, and once again I really appreciate a lot. So Clear is a whitening body care lotion from a Togolese brand or a company called Dodo. Dodo is one of the brand that produces body lotion or body products or skin products. They have so many types of whitening product. For example, they have the Clear product, they have the Viva White, they have the Dodo White, they have the Carrots White, yeah. And I think they are now introducing, or they have introduced, another whitening body lotion or a product called Jealousy lotion, and it's also a whitening product. But first of all, Clear is a strong body lotion, and if you are a dark skinned person, I wouldn't advise you to go in for Clear because Clear is a fast action body lotion. If you are a dark skinned person and you start using this lotion, you could notice that within some few days your skin tone has changed, but then you will be having skin problems such as dark spots, dark knuckles, dark elbow, dark toe, dark knee, and you end up even having stretch marks on your skin. So if you're a dark skinned person, I wouldn't advise you to go in for Clear body lotion. Clear lotion is for people who are already fair or who are already light in skin and they want to be extra fairer or maybe they want to whiten their skin. With these people, when they are using Clinic Clear products, they wouldn't end up having severe challenges on their skin, okay, but the lotion will whiten them naturally because it contains hydroquine and also it's a strong whitening product. So if you are a dark skin person and maybe you want to tone your skin, you want to brighten your skin, you want to glow your skin, and someone recommends Clinic Clear to you or for you, and you want to use it, all I can suggest to you or all I can advise you to do is that you get a very nice body oil, you get a very nice shea butter, or you can even get Vaseline. All right, you mix it with a body lotion before using as a dark skin person. Okay, you don't have to straightforward use this body lotion alone. As a dark skin person, you will end up damaging the skin or you will end up facing so much skin problem. Okay, but if you are a fair colored skin person, if I say a fair skin person, it's not a caramel skin tone or it's not a chocolate skin tone. Somebody who is already fair or someone who is already light in skin, yes, when you use it, you won't have any problem. And moreover, you have to take note, if you are using Clinic Clear as a body lotion or a body skin product, you don't have to expose the body under the sun, okay, because if you expose the skin under the sun, you end up having sunburn on your skin because this product is not a skin protector or a sunscreen product. Okay, it's not a sunscreen product. So normally I always advise that if you are someone who uses a whitening product or a strong product, you need to use it only at night, because during the night you don't have anywhere to go, you don't have any work to do, you just apply your body lotion or your whitening body product on your skin and off you go to bed. But if you use it during the daytime, those of you who works under the sun, who walks under the sun, and who travels, you end up exposing the body under the sun, and which will end up damaging the skin for you. Okay, any product that contains hydroquine is not even supposed to be used during the daytime. It's supposed to be used in the night. All right, so please take note of this. So if you are a fair skin person and maybe you've noticed that Clinic Clear is too strong for you, you don't like the scent, or maybe it smells weird or it smells like onion, you can just get a baby oil, or you can get bio oil, you can get smooth diamond. Smooth diamond oil is one of the nicest body oil you can use on your skin. So you can grab any of the mild oils, bio oil, recovery oil, smooth diamond oil, or any other oil. Baby oil too is there. You can mix it with it and use. And take note, if you are using this product, don't mix your oil with this lotion down. Okay, you can just pour slight or small in your palm, you add your oil to it, mix it very well and apply it on the skin. So dark skin people, don't attempt using this product because you end up damaging the skin. You end up destroying your skin. You end up having issue with stretch marks. You end up having issue with dark knuckles. You end up having issue with dark feet, and you'll be wasting money to correct the problems you have on your skin. So Clinic Clear is a strong whitening product, and it is not meant for dark skin people. It is only meant for fair or light colored skin people who want to be extra fairer. They want to be white. They want to be fairer than their normal skin tone. All right, so don't go in for this if you're a dark skin person. Don't go in for this if you're a chocolate skin person. If you want to use this product, you just have to be patient. If you're a dark skin person, tone the skin with a mild product before switching to this. So I've spoken a lot about Clinic Clear body lotion. All I want